In today's video, I did this dye job and install in hairstyle featuring Elfin hair. Shout out to Elfin hair. This hair is amazing. It came blonde. It's 30 inches and yeah, lace front. I bleached the knots and then I crimped it or beach waved it, but I love it. It's so pretty. And the hair dye is from Good Dye Young. It is Hayley Williams, yes, from Paramore. I know, I died. This is her brand. Semi-permanent. It is vegan and cruelty free. It's made in Nashville, so it's made in the United States. And what else? And the hair just feels so healthy. Like, oh my god. And then we used literally all bedhead products. I don't think I used any other product. So yes, shout out to Elfin hair, shout out to Good Dye Young, and all of the bedhead products I bought with my own money. If you guys want to see how I got these siren waves, keep on watching. So sorry, my fucking phone died. But before I install the wig, I just want to show you guys, I put in the bed head small talk and then added the big head volume boosting foam. So this is like a thickening, it's a thickifier. It's like a styling lotion, but it thickens it. And then this one gives it volume. And I sprayed the Superstar on the roots. You guys, it feels so nice. First of all, the fucking color, it's giving me very winter fresh. And I love that it goes from like blue to like mint. I think it's so, I've never done a light blue this color before. And then the roots are still dark too. Did I over bleach the knots? Of course I did. Y'all know who does that. Who does that? But yeah, I don't know what to do. I figure because of the last video, I should do a middle part because the other video I did a side part. So we're gonna do a middle part. Yeah, let's get to, it just feels so nice. It feels so healthy. Hayley didn't lie. She didn't lie. Oh my god, it literally, I've never, first of all, this hair is so nice. Like, this is a nice wig. The unit came correct. Gonna be annoying and do another fast forward and you guys just, you know, vibe out. I'm just gonna install style because my makeup's already done. I still have the same shitty ass makeup from earlier. I have a really my day is gonna be really long, but finally done. I don't know why I thought that would be a good idea, but I just wanted to show off this hair really pretty. Had it on low heat at the back, but it's fine. I don't care. And then I turned it up at the front, but I'm just gonna spray the Masterpiece Massive Shine Stronghold hairspray. Just a little bit. Feel like a fairy. Like I don't feel like... This is good. This is good because I just got my period and I've been just wanting to raise hell. I feel very calm. Like blue hair is very calming. Like this type of blue hair anyway. Or am I just making shit up? Probably. I'm gonna lightly... Ooh, it's giving mermaid. Oh, who wanna sleep with a siren? I hate myself. I'm not funny. Don't laugh at that. That's not... Like when I talk like that, just be like, what the fuck is this bitch talking about? Let's have a moment of silence for Elfin hair. Like this hair is beautiful. All the way down to my fucking... Look at this hair! It's so pretty. Oh my god. Legit feel like a mermaid. Shout out to Good Dye Young for the hair. Everything will be listed below. I'm obsessed. Do you see this? Do you fucking see this? Oh, look. I'm sorry. I need to go take some pictures. Yeah, everything will be linked down below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Is it, you know, we're going lighter for the new year. I really want to do colors that I've never done before, and I've never done a blue like this. Low-key have been very scared, but wow, I legit feel like a fucking fairy. I feel like a mermaid. I don't even feel like, wow. Look at what a nice wig will do. I don't know if I should I put it up or what do I do? Okay, so I'll leave it like this for now. And yeah, we'll take a cute selfie. Everything I use will be listed below. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my motherfucking channel. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye.